The Curious Kitten. Once upon a time, a curious kitten named Oliver ventured out into the world. Following a colorful kite, he discovered a vibrant garden and encountered a wise owl. The owl reminded Oliver that life's adventures teach valuable lessons. Oliver continued his journey and observed ants' perseverance and a gentle breeze's ability to bring change. At the peaceful lake's edge, he felt gratitude for the experiences. Returning home, Oliver shared his newfound wisdom with fellow cats. His story reminded them that life's treasures lie in gratitude and the lessons learned along the way. And so, Oliver's tale of gratitude and wisdom spread throughout the feline community. Cats young and old listened intently, their eyes wide with curiosity. Inspired by Oliver's journey, they began to embrace their own adventures with a newfound appreciation for the lessons they would encounter. The cats explored the world around them with open hearts and curious minds. They discovered the beauty in the smallest of things, from the delicate flutter of a butterfly's wings to the soothing sound of raindrops falling on leaves. With each adventure, the cats learned valuable lessons. They discovered the importance of patience as they observed a spider skillfully weaving its web. They understood the power of perseverance as they watched a tiny seedling grow into a magnificent tree. But above all, the cats learned the true meaning of gratitude. They expressed appreciation for the simple pleasures that life bestowed upon them, the warmth of a sunbeam, the comfort of a purr-filled nap, and the loving companionship of their fellow felines. And as for Oliver, he continued his adventures, his bright green eyes shining with the knowledge that the greatest journeys are not measured in distance, but in the profound impact they have on our hearts and souls.